This was a Saturday and we usually have a lot of extra work at the weekend than the regular class days. We started the day by having breakfast at the hostel mess. We got puri and cabbage fry. Then I washed some clothes, fixed some nails. I had to fix my home temple. Also I did a cleaning of the room and then I took a bath. Immediately I completed my skincare steps and I burnt an incense stick. Some of my friends, my roommate and I had a plan of watching a movie and doing the lunch outside this weekend. We got ready. I went to a fabric shop and chose this silver fabric to set YouTube background at my hostel room. Then we went for the lunch. I had a plate of chicken biryani and chicken malai tikka and rumali rotis and shared this with my friend. We reached the hall and we watched an Assamese movie that is gaan, and it was really worth watching. We took a university bus and after returning I worked on some videos.